It's me again, and yes, I'm back in the kitchen. I'm not trying to be superwoman, but I'm just doing what I gotta do. You know, when I get inspired, I'm bringing it right to you, so here we go. Tonight, I am cooking Louisiana grits and shrimp for Andrei. And you know, I love cooking, but I was thinking about something. Cooking is a way of showing and sharing your love for the next person. And legacy isn't all about just being in the boardroom. It's not all about boardroom and dollars. It's about showing love and gratitude to your family members. And so I want to say to you, if you are tired and you want to show your loved one that you love them, try some easy shrimp and grits. And you know, it don't take a lot. It really don't take a lot to say I love you and I'm here and I appreciate you. Shrimp and grits with a nice salad on the side didn't take me any time, but it's creating memories. The laughter, the conversation, the away from the hustle and bustle and the TV.